Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you on your iPhone. All you have to do, so in first you just click on settings, then it's going to take you to your iPhone settings here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on your name, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on subscriptions here, just click on it. So then automatically when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to renewal receipts here, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's renewal receipts enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.